Let's solve this question. Here is question 15, WAEC, June 2023 past question. And the question said the price of a shoe was increased by 22% if the new price was $27.30. What was the original price? Right. I have solution. We say let the original price be P, right? And for 22% the increase, we have 100 minus 22%, right? And that will be equal to 78%, right? Now, 78% of the original price, which is P, right? That it will be equal to the $27.30, right? Now we see that 78%, right, which is 7 over 100 now, multiplied by P, the original price, will be equal to $27.30, right? Now we can multiply both sides by 100, right, for us to eliminate out this 100. So that this 100 has been cancelled. So we have 78p equal to 100 times 27. Multiply that, we see that it will be equal 7,730, right? Now we can divide both sides by 78, right? So we divide both sides by 78 now. So this 78 we cancel here. So the price now will be equal to 35. So now we see that the option is option D. That is the right option for us. Thank you for watching. Keep on watching. Bye bye.